Illinois is thinking about taxing private retirement funds to pay government worker pensions. Whoa. Let's bring in Grover Norquist. He's the president of Americans for Tax Reform. How on earth will this fly? I mean, the private enterprise people, they paid into their own pension fund. Right. It's going to be taxed when they take the money out anyway. And now they've got to pay for government workers? That's not going to fly.
Well, it's a step above what Argentina did when they just confiscated everyone's 401ks, but not much better than Argentina. Look, this is Illinois scraping the bottom of the barrel. There are two times when people are likely to leave a state: when they graduate from college and they're looking around. If there are more jobs elsewhere, they may move. And when they retire are the two times when it's easiest to say, let's move somewhere else. And so Illinois has said, as soon as you're done working here, take all your retirement pay, leave town. They really are encouraging people to leave.
Well, I don't get it. I understand that they've got a chronic problem with paying government worker pensions. They really can't pay. But they must pay them according to the terms of the state constitution. I think that's how it works. But they're way out of this. Well, would you think what they should do is just cut taxes across the board and grow the economy and try to get some revenue that way?
Well, and they also need to reduce spending. I mean, one of the things that all of these overblown pensions are, and these are gold-plated pensions. Nobody in the private sector gets pensions that looks like Illinois' or New York's or California's or the federal government's pension system and benefit systems. You are really taxing lower-income people relatively to pay high benefits and pensions to higher-income people when you go from the private sector on average to the public sector. So it's reverse Robin Hood. They just need to hire fewer people. They're going to have to downsize government in order to cover the costs of retirees. They've been doing that in the steel industry, in the coal industry, in the auto industry for a long time, and you just have to work your way through it with fewer today's workers until you've paid off all of the previous workers, and then get yourself out of these contracts. Other states, Illinois not, but other states have moved to defined contribution, 401k style benefits. Utah did it a number of years ago for all state and local employees. Soon enough, they'll have no problem at all.
Yeah, got it.